Isn't it a big taboo to talk about breast cancer or the health issues about the woman in India? But why we need to talk about this topic? Isn't it alarming situation? Let's have a look on the some of the statistical figures. The alarming statistics of India that 27% of women are diagnosed with cancer and 1 in a 28 women will suffer from the disease. 50 to 60% of women are diagnosed with breast cancer in India die within a year. 17 lakh 97 900 women in India are likely to be diagnosed with a breast cancer by 2020. This all our statistics are just an at alarming conditions because one should have knowledge about what actually the breast cancer is and how to prevent and what are the precautions. We would like to talk about all these things in our video. So what is actually a breast cancer? Breast cancer is in simple language we can say that the cells keep growing and form a tumor. Breast cancer starts when the cells in the breast begin to grow out of the control. So it form a tumor or a lump generally called as, and this turns into a breast cancer. Now let's talk about symptoms of the breast cancer. A lump or a mass in the breast. A lump which is being observed as fixed and non-painful is considered to be a cancerous one in the major cases. Skin irritation or dimpling. Dimpling basically looks like an orange peel, like to have a lot of pores on your skin or having an irritation on such porous skin. Third is the breast pain or a breast or a nipple pain or a nipple discharge. There are few risk factors regarding the breast cancer such as obesity, aging, consumption of alcohol, smoking, and there has been the biggest risk factor is the genetic or the family history such as your mother or your mother's sister or your sister having the breast cancer, then there is a probability that you can have the breast cancer. How can you check that whether you have the breast cancer or not is very simple to have the BRCA test. It is breast cancer test. It basically estimates the risk that whether you will have the breast cancer or not. There are some myths regarding the breast cancer that if you wear a bra or if you will not wear a bra, you would cause a breast cancer. This is truly a myth. Wearing a bra is optional. It is your condition that if you want, you can. If you don't, it's very normal. Using a perfume or deodorants won't cause you any type of a breast cancer. There is no relation between the deodorants and a perfume with the breast cancer. Second thing is consider that if you have hair on your breast, it is considered to be the breast cancer. No, not at all, because your entire human body is having hairs on the entire parts, then why can't you have hairs on your breast? So it's very normal to have hair on your breast, and using deodorants and perfumes would not cause you any type of a breast cancer. So please ignore all these kinds of myths. There is a simple step to examine your breast cancer is to observe the breast, armpit and a collarbone. If you observe any change in the size or the color or any abnormal change, use your hands for checking the lump that is in circular motion or in Z-shaped motion. The best time to observe is 1 week after your periods because during your periods you have a lot of hormonal changes and the chances of being a breast cancer is higher when your period starts until the end of your periods, that is menopause. Breast cancer awareness is important because woman health is her wealth, and it is being observed that the communities and the countries and ultimately the world only strong as the health of their women. So it is more important to take care about your health. Please do subscribe our channel for such more videos and share this video as much as possible to create the awareness regarding the breast cancer, and please like our videos and comment your views. Thank you so much.